sushi.
Your iced coffee?
Thank you.
You're welcome. James, look.
Oh my goodness gracious me.
It's matcha latte with coffee ice cube inside. How's work?
That's alright. It's the same stuff in it.
Okay, I'm gonna work outside today because it's cooler.
Oh my goodness,
But when the sun's around, I'm gonna come back.
So do you want me, if you see your laptop, do you want me to pass the cables through?
Yes, please. Bye-bye.
소금. 야?
응?
소금.
No, okay.
Too hot.
How was your lunch?
I haven't finished it yet.
Oh. What
The-
is it?
the
Is
new
it pork
mayo I
pie?
got is good.
Sorry?
The new mayo I got is good.
Oh. What kind of mayo is it?
Garlic and onion.
Oh.
Caramelized onion.
Sounds good.
It needs to be put in the fridge though.
Okay. I'm not that hungry. I want some more coffee. Do you think I should have more coffee or food?
Have coffee. Have iced coffee or
Yeah. But it is really nice day today. But isn't it supposed to be a thunderstorm today?
Ja, aber es ist doch Wunder.
Oh, this is good. Look at that. Pew. So nice. Oh my god. The living room is too messy.
I'm dying.
Why are you dying?
Because I'm melting.
You're not melting.
I'm melting.
But if the weather is still good after you finish work, can we do something?
What something?
I don't know. We can just go to the garden or go to a park.
You want to get in the pad and go back out?
Yeah, if you want to.
Yeah, we can go for a walk or something.
Yeah. Because I'm wearing
Cute dress.
Hmm?
Cute dress.
I'm wearing dress today. Do you know why?
Because it's cute.
Oh, I was gonna sneeze, but I didn't. Damn it. Because I shaved my legs yesterday. So I don't want to waste my shaved legs.
I shaved my armpits yesterday and I don't want to waste my shaved armpits.
Oh, okay.
So every place basically requires us to have our own bag each. Okay.
Oh, but the thing is, we're not using all of the golf clubs inside of the set. So you might be bringing like half of it.
Well, what we could do,
Yeah?
basically if you get your own bag
Yeah?
and then buy some of the clubs that you need.
Yeah? Okay, cool.
And they won't hire clubs out.
Okay, cool. Okay.
I'm dripping in the sweat. Dripping in the sweat.
Too
Let's
hot.
make a paddling pool.
Yeah.
Dripping in the sweat.
Make it again. It's making.
Dripping in the sweat. Let's make the paddling pool.
Yeah, we literally drained that because before it's gonna be thunderstorm today, but it's too hot.
It just rained last night though. Look, you see the water on top.
Yeah, it was raining in the morning, but it's too hot again. Let's make the pool.
Oh, it needs to rain again. Look.
Oh, thank you very much. So, I'm allowed to water every single plant. Yeah?
So the window ones, yeah.
Yeah, the window
Top
one.
ones, yeah.
Okay.
The windows are closed. It's fine.
Okay. Whoop. Yeah, but I can't reach it because I'm too short.
Can I do it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Making it rain.
Can I do the rest?
Oh yeah, you.
Thank you.
Jesus.
Rainbow!
We said we weren't gonna do it.
Actually, you have to believe me, that was a mistake. I was only gonna warn you. It was a mistake.
I get to have revenge now.
Oh, it was a mistake.
I have like revenge now.
It was a mistake.
Please. Come here.
Why?
Because I don't want to get you dressed dirty. I'm just gonna do your feet and legs.
Okay. You promise?
Oh.
Okay.
So let me just see where.
He.
Don't walk backwards, then you.
Okay,
No.
stop it.
Okay.
Okay.
Even?
Yeah, we're even.
Cool.
Let's do this.
Okay?
Sorry?
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. What are you doing?
I'm waiting for the push fill up.
Oh, okay. I'm just gonna do the laundry. Yeah, I'm gonna do the laundry a little bit later. And I think with this one, we should just hang outside because it's just freaking hot outside.
Is it this one or is it this one?
Anything.
Let's try this one because it's pink.
Okay.
I like the pink.
You're too hot, aren't you? We're like losing my mind.
Yeah. Jesus!
But I still need to finish the video. So,
Wine?
yeah.
Now?
Not now, in like 10 minutes. I just want to cool down a little bit. Are you actually doing it?
Jesus! 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 Jesus!
Sit down.
Oh, dude! Look at this.
Sunshine, sunshine.
Sunshine, sunshine.
Ooh,
Sunshine?
look at the sunshine on my face.
Go that way. Shade. Sunshine. Shade. Sunshine. Shade. Sun. Shade. Sunshine.
No, I'm holding the phone.
My phone's down there.
Oopsie.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious, suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious,
This is the wine.
suspicious.
Look how cold this is. Cold this.
Oh, wow. It's Tesco Wine Fair. Is it twisty lead?
Yeah,
Ooh,
there you go.
oh, is that glass? Oh my god,
Yeah,
can I
there's
see?
It's a glass stopper.
Oh, wow.
Ooh.
Smells really, I can even smell it from here.
Okay, you ready? Ah.
Thank you.
It's so cold. It's made the glass freezing. Yeah.
Cheers. Mmm. Mmm. Why does it smell like whiskey? It's kind of whiskey, winey, kind of alcohol.
It's like oaky flavor.
Mmm. Mmm. Mmm, it's good.
I didn't make the nice noise. I won't do it again. Ready?
Yeah.
Damn it!
I actually thought you wanted your own space, right? So you wouldn't be that sad while I'm gone.
No, like after a day, it'll be like one day of like, okay, I've got a bit of space now. This is great. And after one day, I'm just like, I need cuddles.
Well, we've been spending times for the last 6 months for 24/7.
But I still need cuddles. Like, but like after one day, I'll be like, oh, where's Soomin gone? I need some. Hey, do you need time away from me?
No.
Oh, I don't believe you.
Well,
Jesus.
you said you might need like a day off. For me, I might need like a week off.
Yeah.
No,
A
not
decade?
No, just like a week off. Because I think I actually thought at this point I've done at least 2 trips alone, because that was my original plan, but I couldn't do that. I think I just wanted my own time for a week, not because I don't want to be with you, but because I just
Want to like
I couldn't travel.
get in your own head,
Yeah.
and breathe, and not hear Jesus every 5 seconds. Yeah,
No,
a little bit.
you're making me bad.
Yeah, that's the point, though. The sky is very blue today. No, very many clouds.
But I could just go to France before, instead of going back to Korea. But I just want to spend time with my.
I feel like you should go back to Korea fast.
I just feel like
It's been so long since.
Yeah.
Because you were meant to go back in what, like, June?
June, I think it was June. Yeah.
You
My-
meant to come here in March.
Yeah. No, I was meant to come here in April, and then I was supposed to go to France in May, and then I was supposed to spend a year in France,
Yeah.
and then go back to Korea, and then we have our wedding in Korea, and then fucking hell,
Jesus.
and then coming back to the UK together. Everything is just
Yeah.
yeah. But
But
I think this is for the better, because if I was in France, I wouldn't be able to go back to Korea, which means I wouldn't be able to spend time with my family when my dad is retired. So I think this is just like a perfect time to have family time. So
You've been stuck in England for so long. You need some proper Korean food.
yeah, I need some proper Korean food. Yeah. I have a question. Do you think us doing YouTube, I'm doing YouTube, is helping each other's family understanding each other more? Or do you think it's like a little too much information to each other?
To be honest, I kind of don't really think about the YouTube that much. In a way that I almost forget it's there.
Yeah. That is so true.
Just
actually.
because when you're filming it, we're just doing what we normally do, so it's no different to anything else. I find it strange when I start looking at it. It's like, oh, yes, it's still got people commenting on things.
I think at the beginning I was too worried about the privacy. Like I'm putting everything on the internet, and also I'm not only putting my own stuff on the internet, but also yours. So I wasn't really sure about it, but then I had no choice. I had to do something for my final project. So but then now that I think that your parents learning something from videos, and my family is learning about you from the videos, so I think it was kind of a right choice.
But I think because if I did think about it too much, then I'd change the way I'd act because I'd be too nervous.
Yeah, that's the thing. You know what? Recently, I've been getting some comments asking, how do you take pictures with tripod, and how do you like film James? And James wouldn't mind it at all, because apparently their partners are not, feeling comfortable whenever they're using camera, being on the camera and stuff. But I think we're quite lucky because both of us were studying film, so we were there were like several times that I had to be in front of the camera because we couldn't get an actor, or we just had to finish our project as soon as possible, as quickly as possible. So I'm feeling quite comfortable, but you are too, because I've been watching so many random videos that you made in uni, and you had to in front of the camera and you're acting like so weird.
I'm a great actor. I don't know what you're on about. Don't worry about it with film students. This is natural.
But have you ever properly act for a film, student films before?
Kind of, but not really. Like we had a script and stuff for our things, but
Okay, is that like a short film, or is that
just the stuff we did at uni.
You mean like
Our own films.
I think I've been on a short student films twice. I actually had
You've been
to
in
act.
mine.
Which one?
Horror film.
Oh,
I can act quite well at certain things. So like, I reckon in like an actual film, playing like a nerdy character.
You have been nailing it. Are you playing Pokemon Go? Is that
No,
what you're doing?
it's a football game, so they schedule the games during time because you're playing someone else,
Oh
and you just have to manage the team. It's the one with the dots.
my goodness. Yeah!
Yeah. Yeah, I did do that, yeah. What the fuck? No, don't. I've got wine. Wait until I finish the wine, then you can get your revenge.
James, I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to get away your phone.
You're fucking dead.
You started it!
I swear to God!
I'm sorry, James.
Let go.
I'm sorry. I'll
Okay, let go. Let go.
Sincerely
No,
apologize.
let go. Let go. Walk towards the pool. Go, stand in the pool.
No. It's too cold.
Yeah. How do you think I feel?
No. James, also one thing, there is wine glass inside.
Yeah, I'll be
it would
careful.
be really dangerous. If I go, it would be really dangerous, James. Don't do that. Okay. We have a peace here.
No, we don't.
Handshake. I have a phone on my hand. It's very expensive phone.
It's rainproof. Come here.
James. You're right. What into my face? You did enough, James.
No, one more.
James. You satisfied? I think we're even now.
Okay, turn the tap off, please. I'm watching the plants.
Jesus. Do this.
You're having fun. Remember what happened last time you did that? You want to play this game? Ah, that's what I thought, you silly Billy.
But I really need to edit this time. I really need to finish this video today. Are you gonna sit over there and be my company?
No. Okay. Okay. I said okay.
Okay, be my company because I'm gonna finish this video in an hour and then we drink the rest of the wine.
Okay. Sip away.
Are you sure you can clean up alone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Clothes-wise, do we put them in the living room after? Just in case it rains. Just this side of the living room.
Let's leave it as long as possible.
Okay.
I'm gonna go cooking.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for cleaning up.
gentlemen, it's an absolute honour. Please.
We'll for a chorus.
John, give me a time.
8.5 minutes.
8.5, let's go.
First, and Chef Ramsay expects to
The Chef Ramsay, like the lead first, I believe it's him.
James, how many fajita do you want?
How many are you having?
Gently hold the place, please.
both kitchens.
I don't know.
Are they ready?
Yeah.
Oh, do you want me to get another family?
Sorry?
Another family?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This looks amazing. What sauce is in the... What sauce did you use?
I don't know, I'm just too warm here. Oh, it's too warm, James, too warm.
Did you know what wine?
Oh, it's just too warm.
Okay.
This is yours because mine has coriander inside. Oh, I'm too warm.
I'll bring you there.
I'm too warm. Oh.
I was waiting for you.
It was too warm upstairs.
Could have told me.
Sorry. I went to the toilet and then it was too warm, so I came here.
Could have texted me.
Sorry, I thought you were watching TV.
I was, but I was watching TV with you,
Oh,
and then you just poof.
sorry.
Just, I'm not angry. I'm just disappointed.
Oh, sorry. But you have to understand me, it was too warm.
So you know it's too hot because it's boiling. Yeah.
Yeah.
Take a look at what I did.
What?
It's too hot, so we can't sleep upstairs. Come down. Come down.
God, I nearly fell down. Oh, that's good. It's actually perfect. Ah, good. You did a good job. This place is so much cooler than upstairs.
So we've got the fan here. Go there.
Okay, let's
Maybe
bring more fans.
Another fan at the other end.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
And then that'll be fine.
Cool.
Oh, hello. This is the right house. That's good then. What the hell? It's me, Billy. Billy Finn. Just wanted to take you up on your nice offer from earlier. What? I don't... What offer? You know. A bit about if there's ever anything I can do. So, yeah. I just said that for the hell of it. Fish puns. Oh, God.
You good?
Oh, God. Come on.
I'm exhausted. Can we put on the side? Or can you drink all of it? What a family? Is that Joey?
Oh, 5 seasons. I don't think I'm that committed to that.
Have you seen Outnumbered? This will make you never want to have kids ever.
But I already don't want to have kids.
Yes, this shows you what's all wrong with kids.
Oh, why would you want to stress yourself?
No, it's a comedy. So you laugh at them because they had kids and they're idiots.
No, but they're gonna be like so annoying. They're gonna be like loudy.
Can-
They're gonna
then
scream.
Can you try and watch one episode, please? It's iconic.
Okay.
So like this is like as iconic as In Between Us.
Look, my face is like this big, and your face is like this big.
Put my fingers like this. Please.
Which means I have bigger brain, James.
Why didn't you use it then? Oh shit!